So the other day we had crabs for dinner. They had a special at the local grocery store, and this is the end result. What we did is, once we finished eating a course, we washed the shells and we placed in the oven to get like a crispiness, so it'd be easy to break down. Put it in a blender. Now these shells are still tough, so sometimes what we got to do is we got to put them back in and reprocess, like this part right here, the knuckle, or you can just throw it away, but this is the end result. And we put that in the garden. Thanks for watching.